Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. In an era of rising cyber threats, your browser is the first line of defense. In this advanced tutorial, I show you exactly how to secure Google Chrome against zero-day attacks and data leaks. Zero-day attacks are the most dangerous threats because there is no patch yet. Today, I'll show you how to harden your Chrome browser to stop these attacks before they start. Step 1. Enhance protection. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Switch from Standard to Enhanced Protection. This sends real-time data to Google's AI to block dangerous sites and downloads before they even touch your hard drive. Send the URLs of sites you visit and a small sample of page content to Google Safe Browsing to check if they are harmful. Step 2. Secure DNS. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Advanced. Scroll down to Use Secure DNS. Instead of your ISP, choose a provider like Cloudflare, 1.1.1.1, or Google Public DNS. This prevents hackers from intercepting your web requests. Step 3. The Extension Audit. Open Chrome Extensions Manager. The biggest source of data leaks is rogue extensions. Remove anything you don't use daily. For the ones you keep, ensure site access is set to on-click so they can't read your data in the background. Step 4. Password Checkup. Under Settings, click on Passwords, then Checkup. Your saved passwords might already be in the hands of hackers. Google Chrome has a hidden health check for your digital identity that most people ignore. In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to find every compromised password on your laptop and fix them before it's too late. And that is how you turn Google Chrome from a simple browser into a secure vault. Remember, hackers rely on you being lazy, so don't be. The value reminder: running that password checkup once a month and keeping your enhanced protection on is the easiest way to prevent a massive data breach on your laptop. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Which security tip was new to you? I try to respond to every comment to help you guys out.